Hello PMU champions, this is Lulu Siciliano from Miami, Florida. Do you know the difference between hybrid and organic pigments? I'm sure you heard more than once about them, but what do they mean? Let's remember, there is no bad pigment on the market, it's not correct application. To understand the pigment, you will need observation of heel results. It's not going to happen after one session, it's going to happen after 1.5 years up to 2 years when you get your client back for color boost. First of all, you will need to read CI numbers on the back of your label of the pigment. So let's review this great example of bronzed brown from blonde to brunette by Evenflo. So the first component in the composition is organic yellow 97 CI 11767. The second one is organic red CI 56110, and then carbon black is CI 77266, pigment titanium dioxide CI 77891, and then iron oxide yellow is CI 77492, iron oxide red 1101 CI 77491, and iron oxide black 77499. A lot of misconception about hybrid formula. Some artists call hybrid formula if there is an inorganic titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide has not only lightening function, but it's also bonding agent in the organic composition. So it's very important component. What is the idea behind of hybrids? Blonde to brunette hybrid formula is a blend of iron oxide and organics. We mix them together because inorganic pigments will always demonstrate orangey reddish hues over time, and organic pigment will always demonstrate bluish grayish hue over time. Mixing all them together, we're going to have effect of neutralization of blue and orange hues. So you will get always natural and beautiful colors over time. That is why we call this formula pre-modified, because we have iron oxide, which is always heel warmer. We call this hybrid formula proper and unique because there is nothing like this on the market. Blonde to brunette is designed for powder eyebrows and hair stroke techniques. It's also great for beginners because you don't need to pre-modify it, no need to add modifiers or correctors. So let's review another great example. It's Hazel from original eyebrow set, Evenflo. So the first in the composition is organic yellow, CI 21095. The second one is organic red, CI 56110. And then carbon black, CI 77266. And then titanium dioxide 77891. And organic red CI 12466. Organic set is designed for very shallow shading work, only 1-2 passes, very soft, don't oversaturate. If you implant pigment in the right layer and very small amount of pigment, the pigment will heal through to color. If you overpack and go deeper, you will get very cool and dark color. Also, if the skin is not healthy condition and immune system is compromised, or if your client has old scar from microblading or another skin condition, the pigment will heal cooler. So in this situation, you will need to add correctors like Illum or neutralizer, or mix of Illum and neutralizer together. If you know the nature of the pigments, you always can predict heal results.